Use high-quality chicken breast meat for the most tender and flavorful nuggets. Marinate the chicken in a mixture of your favorite seasonings, herbs, and spices for added flavor. Coat the chicken in a mixture of flour, breadcrumbs, and panko for a crispy exterior. For added nutrition and flavor, mix grated vegetables such as carrots or zucchini into the chicken mixture before breading. To keep the chicken moist and juicy, be sure to not overcook it. A meat thermometer is a great tool to ensure the chicken is cooked to the proper temperature. Experiment with different dipping sauces, from classic honey mustard to a spicy sriracha mayo. Instead of deep frying, consider baking or air frying for a healthier option. For a fun and playful presentation, cut the chicken into fun shapes like stars or dinosaurs before breading. To add some extra crunch and flavor, top the nuggets with chopped nuts or seeds before serving. For a more gourmet twist, try using different types of meat such as turkey or salmon to make unique nugget creations.